Okay, example 2 on page 612. So this is angle measure again and complements. So remember that a complement or complements are angles that add up to 90 degrees. So any two angles that add up to 90 degrees are called complementary angles or complements of each other. So this is the figure given in example 2. And notice that we have 90 degrees, right? This is a 90-degree angle because it is symbolized with this little, I guess a little upside down, well, it creates a box, but it means it's 90 degrees. So the goal is to find, whoops, let me go back. The goal is to find this angle. Now, just for notation purposes, okay, so we have A, B, C, and then D. And here's one angle, right, that's 62. And then here's the other angle that we're trying to find. Now, the way you read this is the measure of, this is the angle DBC. So BC, right? We don't know what this angle is. So we want to use this angle to find this angle. And one thing I do want to note is, let me erase this. Okay, can erase that. You can also write this as a measure of angle DBC, but the book specifically uses, right, this slash, this arc, just because some students get confused and some students think that's an L, and they're thinking milliliters or M, the measurement of LDBC. So just to avoid confusion, we usually write that little arc. But I encourage you to write that arc just because that's what the book uses. So to find the measure of this angle, well, we have right now the measurement of angle DBC, right, on our figure DBC, plus, well, what angle are we looking at, or what angle do we have? We have DBA, right, or ABD. It doesn't matter how you write it. So the measurement of angle, I'll just say ABD to be consistent with the book, right? Those two angles should add up to 90 degrees. And the goal is to find the first one. Well, we already know what the measurement of angle ABD is, right? We know that this guy is 62. So the measurement of angle DBC plus 62 degrees equals 90 degrees, right? And notice we're just to find this angle right here, all you're going to do is subtract 62 from 90. But I wanted to show you that this is an equation because we are going to be using this quite a bit. And again, this is just a linear equation, so we're really subtracting 62 from both sides. So the measurement of angle DBC is equal to, well, it's just 90 minus 62, right, or 28 degrees. So 28 degrees is a complement of 62 degrees. So that's example 2 in your book.